Oh. Somebody's sick. I heard a cough. Oh. Oh.
No.
I heard coughing in here.
I was not coughing.
Oh, yeah.
No.
Time for a shot.
Never.
Ow! Nobody does that to Dr. Susan Price. Oh, hey, you. Hey,
No.
give me my needle.
Never.
Give me. Ow. Ow! It's only gonna hurt for a couple hours. Where do you want it? In the eyeball or in the belly?
Not letting go. Bad Dr. Susan.
Nobody calls me bad Dr. Susan and gets away with it. Ah, ha, ha.
Oh.
Ow! Ow! Ow!
Bad Dr. Susan! Never!
Why are you going crazy on her?
Because I don't like her.
What?
Ow! Never.
I think she's dead.
No, she's not.
She's dead. She's not moving. She's not moving.
No.
She's not moving. Look, she's not moving.
She's gonna get up.
How do you know?
Because she did it in your room.
What are you talking about? I think you got her. She's done. She's dead. Okay. Time to go to bed.